Hi there. In this video, we are making these delicious lemon squares from the Joy of Cooking Cookbook. Guys, these are so tangy, zesty, and just downright good. Plus, they are so easy to make. 8 ingredients. Yes, 8 ingredients. That's it. No mixer required, so you don't have to wash that sucker. Let's bake some of these right now. For this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 cup flour, a 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 eggs beaten, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground lemon peel, and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then combine a cup of sifted flour with a 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. Next, add a 1/2 cup of melted butter and combine. Press this mixture into an 8 by 8 inch greased baking pan. Bake for 20 minutes. While that is baking, combine 1 cup sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 teaspoons grated lemon peel. Combine these and pour them over the baked warm crust and bake for 25 minutes. Chill this before you serve it and sprinkle with confectioner's sugar. Guys, like I told you, these are absolutely delicious. They are not a heavy dessert, so watch it. It is easy to eat the whole pan. And you know what? If you do, there's no shame in that. Bake some up. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I do. And don't forget to hit subscribe.